Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do algebraic identities. We have already learned about special product in lower classes. In this chapter, we will review those products, do some more products and reduce the number of steps in calculation. We will also do certain operations. Let us consider a mathematical sentence, that is x plus 5 whole square equals to x square plus 10x plus 25. On putting various values such as 1, 2, 3 and so on for x, we find that the value of x LHS equals to RHS. Such mathematical sentence containing an unknown variable x, which is considered for all the values of x, is called the identities. Next is square of binomial. As we know, a into a, that is a square, b into b, that is b square, a into b, that is ab. Similarly, a plus b multiply by a plus b equals to हो जाएगा a plus b का whole square, a minus b multiply by a minus b, that is equals to a minus b का whole square. Let us evaluate. a plus b का whole square. So a plus b का whole square क्या हो जाएगा? a plus b multiply by a plus b. अब a को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ab से and b को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ab से. So we'll get a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Or we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square using distributive property of multiplication over addition. So a plus b का whole square क्या हो गया? a square, ये हमारी हो गई आइडेंटिटी. आइडेंटिटी 1 हमारी क्या है? a plus b का whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. b, if a minus b का whole square है, we'll write it like a minus b multiplied by a minus b. So we'll get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So our second identity is a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Next is a plus b, a minus b. So we'll write a multiplied by a minus b, b multiplied by a minus b. So a square minus ab plus ba minus b square. So a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. So ये cancel हो जाएगा. We'll get a square minus b square. Clear? This is our identity 3. a plus b, a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. Next, some important results. A plus 1 upon a's whole square, that is equals to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2, or a square plus 1 upon a square, that is equals to a plus 1 upon a's whole square minus 2. a minus 1 upon a's whole square, that is equals to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2, or a square plus 1 upon a square, that is equals to a minus 1 upon a square plus 2. X plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Next is tips. The algebraic identities are the product of two binomial. Now we'll take an example. Using the identity, find the product. First is m plus 3, m plus 4. m plus 3, m plus 4. So we'll write m square plus 3 plus 4m plus 3 into 4. So we'll get m square plus m plus 12. Clear? So this way we will use the identity and solve the problem. Next, some more examples are given here. Do practice them. Next is exercise 11A. Find the product using identity. So 3a square plus 1 upon 3a square whole square. So here what identity will you use? Like if it is a and it is b, so it is like a plus b ka whole square. So a plus b ka whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is 3a square, so I will write 3a square ka whole square plus what is the value of b? 1 upon 3a square plus 2 into 3a square multiplied by 1 upon 3a square. So ये हो जाएगा 9 a to power 4 plus 1 upon 9 a to power 4 plus 2. That is our answer. So you have to practice all the question of this exercise. We'll move to next topic. Next is expansion of a plus b plus c to whole square. A plus b plus c to whole square, that is equals to a plus b plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. So we can write it like this, a plus b plus c 2 times लिख सकते हैं because square है. Now a को multiply करेंगे इस पूरे से a plus b plus c से, then b को multiply करेंगे, then c को. So we'll write like this. Then we'll get a square plus ab plus ac plus ba plus b square plus bc plus ca plus cb plus c square. Now इसको हम solve करेंगे a square plus b square plus c square. सेम टर्म को साथ में लिख देंगे ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए प्लस सी ए. सो ए बी प्लस ए बी क्या हो जाएगा 2ab 2bc एंड 2ca. क्लियर? सो a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca. सो a प्लस बी प्लस सी का होल स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल होगा? ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca. Now we'll take an example. Expand using identity. First is 4a plus 3b plus 2c is to whole square. So किस फॉर्म में? a plus b plus c का whole square. So we'll write it like a का square means 4a का square, that is 16a square. b का स्क्वायर 3b का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 9b स्क्वायर, c का स्क्वायर 4c स्क्वायर, देन प्लस 2ab. सो राइट लाइक दिस प्लस 2bc. तो इस तरीके से हो जाएगा प्लस 2ca. सॉल्व करेंगे 16a स्क्वायर प्लस 9b स्क्वायर प्लस 4c स्क्वायर प्लस 24ab प्लस 12bc प्लस 16ca. क्लियर? सो दिस वे विल यूज द आइडेंटिटी एंड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. Next is exercise 11b. Expand the following. A minus b plus c to whole square. So a minus b plus c to whole square. So we'll write a minus b plus c multiply by a minus b plus c. So a को हम पूरे से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे a माइनस b प्लस c, देन माइनस b को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे a माइनस b प्लस c, देन c को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे a minus b plus c. So we'll get a square minus ab plus ac minus ab plus b square minus BC plus AC minus BC plus C square. अब इसको जब हम अरेंज करेंगे सो राइट A square plus B square plus C square. Now minus AB and minus AB, minus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2AC. So इस तरीके से हम आइडेंटिटी का यूज़ करेंगे और इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे. क्लियर? So you have to practice all the questions of this chapter. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.